There's days where I've come here and I'm in a bad day, but after I've done this, I go home and I'm just nothing but positive. I feel so much better after I've done these sessions. My mental health draws from my past, but I never really understood it until I finally managed to get the courage of actually saying I have depression and issues when I was 21. And it is literally only now that I'm actually getting better. Like, every day is a challenge, don't get me wrong. It always wants to bring me down, but at the same time, my mum and dad have always said, like, getting to where you even are now, so proud of you, because you're finally becoming you again.
I feel that reliably over the 25 years I've been dealing with mental illness, the things that I've found time and time again that will improve my mental well-being are nature, community, physical activity, creativity, and this incorporates all of those. And it gives me something to look forward to as well. So that, no matter how bad it is, I always know if I can just make it till Tuesday or whatever, I've got my woodland session and I'll be amongst friends and be doing something I enjoy, learning something new as well, which is great.
You're in this beautiful woods here, and the leaves and the different trees, and once you're here, you forget all your troubles. I got diagnosed with Asperger's and ADHD a few years back, and I'm in my 40s now. I've sort of struggled over the years, but I find that sort of coming here does give me a really good sort of piece of confidence. If I could be here every day, I really would.
Well, it's made me feel better myself. I was quite lonely, quite isolated, and I was involved in a domestic violence relationship. So I needed something to bring me out of myself, really. And there's other people in the group that have got different issues, and sometimes you can help them, sometimes they can help you.
I came to the group because I suffer with mental health myself, where I'd have my down days and just live in bed, and I just didn't want to know, shut the world away. I thought the world was against me, and I came to this group hoping to get out and build my confidence, and which it has a massive impact. I'm not alone anymore, and I feel wanted and stuff, if that makes sense.
Mae gynnon ni amryw o oedolion hefo autism, Asperger's, visually impaired, pobl mewn cadeiriau olwyn, yn dŵad bob dydd Gwener I amryw o lefydd ar Ynys Môn.
There's an aspect of challenging behaviour as part of his autism, but we never see that on a Friday. His mood's great for the rest of the day.
Generally we walk on our own and get a bit of space and switch off, because he's got a lot of things going in his own head. It's so inspiring to see Owen and others that come here, the way that it opens them up and makes them smile.
Just go.